Yelmae, I'm one of the people who have petitioned you. In fact, for avoidance of doubt, particularly the name Mansour Ali Jabata that you saw there is my name. And I'm saying this clearly to you in case you need to countersuit. I'm going to give you my number so that you can send, your lawsuit directly. You don't have to stress yourself. But there is something that I need to clear. Yorùbá man sọ pé wọ́n kì í sọ fún ọmọ kó má dáràn tó bá ti tó ọ̀ràn dá. That is your case. Nobody is saying that it makes sense or is even defending, Muhammad Ali Jabata over some of the things I have said. Don't mix, because I said that you've made a lot of videos, asking, telling people, you can easily file a lawsuit also. Go and pick him. But the person you have attacked is our father. You have said a lot of series of things to his legacy and the name that he has created, and we are not going to let that slide. And it's funny of you to think that a family as learned as we are, that we are not doing anything in the case of Muhammad Ali Jabata. Oh, funny, because I would have expected from somebody who is saying, to think that we will only send you petition and we will leave our own brother who is attacking people. It has to be daft of anybody, right, to think that we will petition any other people and then we will not petition our brother also. You guys are, there is, because if Thomas right, go see any difference like immediately with what you have done, with a lot of things that you have said. By the way, we were not even asking you in that petitions to retract some of the things that you have said. If you feel like you have evidences for everything that you have said in your clips and in a series of the clips that you are making, because, and like I said, you have only been given 7 days to correct this error, so that and the only reason that I probably would think that I'm going to attack you is when I do not see closure from the justice system. That is the only time that I'm going to come after you. I do not do that because, guy, we are learned people. We will not deliberately go after anybody's father. We respect our father, and as you have done it, the same thing that has been done to you is being done to Muhammad Ali Jabata. Because right, and it won't stop anything.